Hi, friends, well wishers, and my dear students. I am very thankful to you all who sent me best wishes on YouTube or on Facebook and even on WhatsApp. Really, I am very happy. Many friends, many well-wishers, many students, present students, old students, reacted in according to wish me on my 75th birthday. Really, I am very happy. Once again, thank you so much. It is very kind of you. It is very nice of you to greet me on my 75th birthday. Dear friends, you know, I am taking risk at the age of 74. That means I have completed my 74 years of long life. Till today, I am teaching the students. Though Corona became a big obstacle in my teaching career, I stopped, offline teaching. I stopped in 2020. Later, I kept quiet. I enjoyed the peaceful retirement life. But all of a sudden, one day, fine morning, I got a thought. Many teachers, lecturers, and different faculties using technology, that is online teaching, they are doing service to the students directly or indirectly. Then I questioned myself, why don't I start online teaching? One of my old students helped me to open the account. My son Kishore Bhargav also cooperated, helped me in different ways. Today, I have posted 120 videos very successfully. 3,000 students viewed my channel. Nearly 140 members subscribed my channel, which shows I am very successful because of the cooperation done by you. Without you, you see the stand, mobile stand, you can see the new board. You can see the new board also, which is about 2,500 rupees cost. This stand nearly 1,000 rupees cost. My mobile, smart mobile, also 18,000 rupees. These are all provided by my son Kishore Bhargav with his cooperation. I am continuing my YouTube online classes. and you are all cooperating me. Without your cooperation, how can I? In this old days, I can't stand up suddenly. It takes time. My body is already very, very weak. But not my tone. My voice is a God's gift. When I get ready, I forget everything, all the pains. I remember only the pleasure. So I get some extra strength. I don't know where I get that power and strength to teach. One day I have forgotten myself and taught more than 1 hour. I can't stand 5 minutes. But I don't know how I got that strength to stand 1 hour continuously. I taught the students. That is my passion. That is my immense liking in teaching. So, if you cooperate like this, I can continue. Now I have completed the noun successfully and started the pronoun, kinds of pronouns. I taught personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Next topic, tomorrow's topic is distributive pronouns. I am taking my own time to teach both the rural students as well as urban students. Particularly rural students, because of my slow teaching, they can understand and they can improve in English, which is very important in the modern world. You can't imagine modern world without English, because total science and technology is only in English. The PG courses, particularly MBA, MCA, MSc Computers, MS, MCom, MBBS, BTech, MTech, these are all in only English medium. So the present students are badly in need of English knowledge, particularly grammatical knowledge, so which I am giving to the students. By teaching, education, knowledge, and even wisdom I am giving, which is immortal. Aksharam. Charam lenidi aksharam. In English, what we call? Immortal. Education is immortal. No one can steal it. Education never ends. Education never vanishes. It is permanent. It is rock solid. So, I always find pleasure in teaching. See, spiritual masters at the age of 80, 90, they teach hours together. Why can't I? So when we are doing good work, God will bless us. God will be behind us. He gives support. He gives the immense power, strength. So, when we are doing something good to the society, one will get support from all directions. You see, my friends are supporting, my well-wishers are supporting, my students are supporting. Without their support, I am nothing. I am nothing. So once again, I convey my gratitude to all my friends, well-wishers, students who greeted me, who sent best wishes on my 75th birthday. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.